Alright, so I'm going to be quick here because I'm using my phone. Alright, so this is an update on both my 3-phase supply and my power meter that I'm building. With the 3-phase supply, I need to put in 3 more power amps. I'm going to try and parallel the voltage ones so I can maintain the same voltage input. Okay, I'm going to build the oscillation circuit, which hopefully be doing next week. Now with the energy meter, there's been a bit more progress. So what you can see, the lead that was plugging into the computer is plugging into the socket there. So what I've done with that is this is now a wireless hotspot, and I can connect to it via Wi-Fi, and this is what I get. Refresh that. So if I adjust the channel, I'll just voltage down on the red. See? So the next thing to do here is build a web scraping apps. One for the phone, one for the laptops or whatever I want to use it on. So I can rip that data out over the Wi-Fi.